Hello, Monroe School Foundation. This is Deanne Hermes, and I wanted to give you a quick update as to how the STEM kits are going. So to begin with, let's go ahead and take a tour of what the lab looks like. The following video was sent out to teachers over the summer, and this was when we were located over in the Wagner Center. We are now in the F building at Park Place, but the layout is pretty similar. So I hope you enjoy the tour. Hi everyone, welcome to the STEM Leadership Lab, which is located in room 4 of the Wagner Center. This is open this summer, several different days. Please check your email so that you can come in and you can learn how to use some of the STEM kits that will be available for you to check out during the school year for you and your students in your classroom. So let's go on a quick tour. As you enter, you're going to start here and you are going to be loading a QR code onto your Chromebook, as this lab will be an independent learning experience for you. So once you go through these quick tutorial videos, you're going to head over to the quick introductions. This is where you're going to find some introductions to some of the STEM kits that we have available. If you go ahead and read the QR code for some of these, they will give you a quick little video link so you can see what that kit is all about. And then once you have selected a kit that you're interested in learning a little bit more about, on the opposite side of the room, you're going to find there's some shelves where you will find the teacher materials that go along with these kits. These are not the classroom kits, but you will receive enough materials for a whole classroom when you get the kit. So as you come over here, you're going to notice that there's a lot of different opportunities for you, some different learning experiences. Each one of these kits comes with a notebook, and inside the notebook are tutorials, other sorts of training materials, resources, lesson plans, etc. There is also a section back here, a make and take section, where you can make quick and easy STEM creations that you might be interested in using with your students, and there's a lot of resources back there. These are materials that are easy to find, things you might have laying around the house or in your classroom, etc. All right, let's head now to the back of the classroom, and you will notice back here we have a green screen. This comes complete with a whole Padcaster unit. That's this little guy over here. It's not set up because that is part of your training, is learning how to set this up. But it does come with an iPad so that you and your students are able to make quick videos, newscasts, teleprompter. It comes with all sorts of things that you need to really be professional in your video making. And finally, at the back of the room, you will see a bookcase. This has our literature connections. These are some really great pieces of literature that come with each of your kits. So please take a look at the times the lab is going to be open, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for coming on this journey. So I'm pleased to report that nearly 50 staff members have participated in training associated with these STEM kits, and they have been pretty popular. And as teachers see their neighbor using the STEM kits in their classroom, they would like to use them in their class as well. So my calendar is filling up quite quickly, and it's really exciting what's starting to happen with these kits in the classroom. And speaking of the classroom, how about if you go take a peek into the classrooms and see what's happening with these STEM kits? students at Frylands Elementary School created a video for Veterans Day using the Padcaster. Using the Padcaster and the teleprompter, they were able to record themselves reading a book that they then showed at the Veterans Day assembly for the entire school. Many students participated in this project, as well as on the back end, editing and creating the video. At Frank Wagner Elementary School, they are also using the Padcaster to create a weekly newscast. During this newscast, the students, every week, they write their own content, and then they have different announcers who come in and they share the news. This is then recorded using the Padcaster and the teleprompter, and then it goes out to all the students to view on a weekly basis. So it's really exciting, the different work efforts that are happening by students using video and the Padcaster. Unfortunately, I don't have students yet demonstrating the use of the Pocket Lab, but I can tell you it's one of the most exciting kits that we have available because of the ability to do a lot of different measurements using this one little tool. For any kind of science class, whether it be elementary all the way up into high school. And one really exciting piece that happened when the training was occurring with the Pocket Lab is that one teacher said that she used to have students create hand graphs of all of the data that they collected, and now with the Pocket Lab, it is able to take that data and it works right with Google Sheets and sends it over. And so now she said she can teach her students how to evaluate the data as opposed to having to spend all of the time creating the graphs themselves. What a huge win for our students. Our Canavision 3-in-1 microscopes have been back ordered, but hopefully they will be available soon. These are the microscopes that connect directly via USB to our Chromebooks and can be taken outside and used in all sorts of a variety of purposes for all students K-12. As we move forward, I've been creating some partnerships with some robotics companies in hopes that we can create a partnership with curriculum as well as pricing on getting some robotic kits available for teachers. So that is our next step in the next month or two as we move forward. So thank you again so much. As you can see, our teachers have been engaged and so have our students. I look forward to seeing what we can do in the future with our partnership. Thank you.